Passion fruit farming is rapidly emerging as a lucrative opportunity for modern farmers. With its high demand in both local and international markets, growing passion fruit can be a sustainable and profitable business if done right. In this comprehensive step-by-step guide, we'll walk you through everything you need to know to start and succeed in passion fruit farming, from preparation and planting to harvesting and marketing. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced grower looking to optimize your yields, this guide is packed with expert tips and practical advice to help you maximize your profits. Let's begin by understanding why passion fruit stands out among other crops. Its popularity is driven by its unique flavor, high nutritional value, and versatility in culinary uses. Passion fruit is rich in vitamins A and C, antioxidants, and dietary fiber, making it a favorite among health-conscious consumers. Demand continues to rise for fresh fruit, juices, and processed products. For farmers, this translates into strong market opportunities if you approach cultivation strategically. Step 1. Choosing the right variety and location. There are two main types of passion fruit: the purple variety, known for its intense flavor and aroma, and the yellow variety, which is more vigorous and suited to tropical climates. Select a variety that matches your climate and market needs. Ensure your farm is located in an area with well-drained soils, access to water, and adequate sunlight. Passion fruit thrives in temperatures between 20 and 30 degrees Celsius and prefers areas not prone to waterlogging. Step 2. Land preparation and soil management. Proper land preparation is crucial for healthy plant growth and high yields. Begin by clearing weeds and debris from your chosen site. Conduct a soil test to determine fertility levels and pH. Passion fruit prefers slightly acidic soils with a pH between 6.0 and 7.0. If your soil is too acidic or alkaline, apply lime or organic matter to adjust it. Plow the land thoroughly to loosen soil and incorporate compost or well-rotted manure to boost fertility. Step 3. Establishing a support system. Passion fruit vines are climbers and require strong support for optimal growth and fruit production. Construct trellises or fences using sturdy posts and wires, ideally at a height of 1.8 to 2 meters. Space your posts about 3 meters apart and use galvanized wire to create horizontal lines for vines to climb. A well-designed support system reduces disease risk and makes harvesting easier. Step 4. Planting. You can propagate passion fruit from seeds or cuttings, but grafted seedlings are preferred for better disease resistance and yield. Source healthy, certified seedlings from reputable nurseries. Dig planting holes about 60 centimeters wide and deep, spaced 2.5 to 3 meters apart. Mix soil with organic manure in each hole before planting. Water the seedlings immediately after planting and mulch around the base to retain moisture and suppress weeds. Step 5. Watering and fertilization. Consistent watering is essential, especially during dry spells and the establishment phase. Install drip irrigation or water manually, ensuring soil remains moist but not waterlogged. Fertilize regularly with a balanced fertilizer. Nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium are key nutrients for vigorous growth and fruiting. Apply compost, manure, or commercial fertilizers every 3 months, monitoring plant health and adjusting as needed. Step 6. Pruning and training. Pruning helps maintain a healthy structure, promotes airflow, and encourages fruit production. Remove dead or diseased branches, suckers, and excessive growth regularly. Train the main vine along the trellis, allowing side shoots to develop and flower. Prune after each harvest to stimulate new growth and keep plants productive. Step 7. Pest and disease management. Passion fruit is susceptible to pests like aphids, fruit flies, and nematodes, as well as diseases such as fusarium wilt, anthracnose, and brown spot. Practice integrated pest management by regularly inspecting plants, removing affected parts, and using organic or chemical controls as necessary. Ensure good sanitation around your farm. Destroy infected plant debris and avoid waterlogged conditions to minimize disease outbreaks. Intercropping with marigold or other repellent plants can also reduce pest pressure. Step 8. Flowering and fruit set. Passion fruit plants typically begin flowering 6 to 9 months after planting. Flowers attract pollinators, such as bees, which are vital for fruit set. Ensure your farm environment is pollinator-friendly by minimizing pesticide use during flowering and planting. Flowering plants nearby. Fruit takes about 70 to 80 days to mature after pollination. Step 9. Harvesting. Passion fruit is ready to harvest when the fruit changes color, purple or yellow, depending on the variety, and begins to drop naturally from the vine. Gently twist or cut ripe fruits from the vine, taking care not to damage the plant. Harvest frequently to ensure fruit quality and avoid losses from overripening or pests. Step 10. Post-harvest handling and marketing. Quality control is critical for profitable sales. Sort and grade passion fruits by size, color, and ripeness, discarding damaged or diseased fruits. Wash and store fruits in cool, shaded areas to extend shelf life. Package fruits attractively for market, using crates or cartons with ventilation. For marketing, explore multiple sales channels: local markets, wholesalers, supermarkets, juice processors, and even export opportunities if your production volume allows. Build relationships with buyers and keep track of market prices to maximize profits. Use social media and online platforms to reach new customers and promote your farm brand. Value addition, such as producing juices, jams, or dried passion fruit, can increase your earnings and diversify your product offerings. Let's recap with some smart tips for success in passion fruit farming. First, start small and scale up as you gain experience. Keep accurate records of your inputs, yields, and sales to track profitability. Stay updated on best practices by joining farmer groups, attending training workshops, and consulting agricultural extension officers. Monitor your farm regularly for signs of pests, diseases, or nutrient deficiencies and address issues promptly. Sustainable farming practices are essential for long-term success. Rotate crops to maintain soil health, minimize chemical use, and conserve water. Embrace innovations such as organic farming, precision irrigation, and digital farm management tools to boost efficiency and sustainability. Finally, passion fruit farming is not just about hard work, it's about smart work. By investing in quality seedlings, maintaining healthy plants, and accessing reliable markets, you can transform your farm into a profitable venture. Remember, patience and consistency are key. Passion fruit vines become more productive with each season, and proper care ensures high yields year after year. If you're ready to embark on your passion fruit farming journey, follow these steps closely and adapt them to your local conditions. With dedication, smart planning, and continuous learning, you can build a thriving passion fruit business and enjoy the rewards of sustainable agriculture. Thank you for joining us in this step-by-step guide to profitable passion fruit farming. Stay tuned for more expert tips and insights from Smart Agri Hub, your partner in modern, successful agriculture.